All right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and so what do I have for you today? I'm glad you asked. I received the BoxyCharm. This is the BoxyCharm Premium. This is the $35 a month beauty box, or it is a $35 a month beauty box subscription, and it's one of the 3 tiers that you get from BoxyCharm. You have the base box, you have this, the BoxyCharm Premium, and then you have the BoxyLuxe. So the BoxyLuxe is an upgrade to the base. Anyway, we're gonna open this up. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Wait a minute, Lori, we already saw you open one up. You did. And I got the volume 3. If you remember correctly, it was the orange palette. But remember how I have my alter ego? Well, she made a profile and she gets the premium box as well. So we're gonna see what she got. It's not like it's a surprise to me. She probably dipped into the box already. This is the BoxyCharm. It is the ABH Takeover with Norvina. You get yourself a card. It is a really pretty card. Loving the purple. And then on the other side, you have a list of all the items inside your box, as well as the retail price. So we got six items inside. Now, I can't remember what she picked. Okay, she's beauty over 50, or she can be the BoxyCharm over 50. I don't care what you want to call her. You just don't call her late to eat. Okay. So the first thing we got here is this, and this. See, so I didn't fire the demon child, but I did give him a vacation. He didn't ask for it, but he's gone for a little while. It's tucked in the corner. And then I brought out my professional lighting from my photography studio, and I'm hoping that this is going to work out better because this is my face light. All right. This is the loose setting powder. Now, I'm not going to go through a whole bunch because you guys have already seen some of the stuff that I got in the other one in my box, and some of these things are duplicated, so we'll just kind of go through those without pause. Okay, so this is the setting powder. It's the translucent. Not that big of a deal, right? I haven't tried the other one. I haven't even opened and taken off the plastic, you know, the plastic on the lid inside. And if you haven't noticed, and I know you have, I'm not wearing any makeup because once I get done unboxing this, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. That's right, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Now, you might be able to tell that I am wearing moisturizer, and like I have mentioned many times before, I do like a tinted moisturizer, and it beats having to put put a full face of foundation on. I don't like foundation. I do wear it, but I spot wear foundation, and we'll go over a lot of that in the get. I just keep knocking this camera, and I'm really sorry. It's squirrel. Anyway, I'll explain a lot of that in the get ready with me. Okay, so is there anything that she got that I didn't get? Well, it looks like it, because she got the clear brow gel. I did not get the clear brow gel. I think I got the, or did I? No, I got the pencil. That's right, because I did my brows. But this is the clear brow gel, and this one is the $22. And I think I have this, but I have it in the small. So, did I show you this already? Okay. I do have the clear brow gel, but this was in, you know, kind of like a little mini size, and this is a full size. So this is $22. This is probably roughly, maybe if I had to guess, $10 to $12 in that price range, especially with this one if you're comparing it at $22. So we got that in another box. I can't remember where, how, when, what. Could have been in the Ipsy. But this is almost like a tube, like mascara. Ooh, nice. This is going to be fun. I'm going to be using all this stuff too, folks. So you know what? If you like that kind of content where you get to watch somebody open their box, unbox a beauty box subscription, and then put everything all over the face, stay tuned, because when I get done with this, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to put this stuff all over my face. Okay, Now, I did not get this. She did. This is the Anastasia Waterproof Cream Color. Now, I wasn't sure what this was. I really wasn't, but it's in the color Jet. And it is $18. Real pretty. It's got her logo on there. It's got a nice clear glass. I was hoping for something with shimmer, glitter. I wasn't sure, you know, like I said, I really wasn't sure. And it got black. So this says it's a waterproof cream color by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is a full pigment cream color that provides high coverage and precise definition. This waterproof blendable formula blends easily and dries down to a matte finish that won't budge or run, ideal for shadow or liner application. So where this would go is like a line, you know, to do your liner effect, and then put black eyeshadow, just pat, kind of blend in there really softly, and it smooths out eyeliners. You know, eyeliner, very sharp, defined eyeliners, I don't care for. I like when an eyeliner, you do the wing, and then you pat it with, kind of blend out the edges with some black eyeshadow, like powder eyeshadow. Okay, let's keep going here. And then there's the liquid lipstick. I did get the liquid lipstick as well. This one is $20, but this one's different. This one is malt. Now, I think I got, oh my goodness, what did I get? Oh my Lord. I'll have to go back and look at the video. Go figure. I should have really paid attention to all the stuff that I got. I put everything away already, so. Oh, I remember, it was like a nude. That's right. This one's like a chocolate. Look at, it's pretty. It is pretty. I don't know what this one's gonna look like on, but it's kind of there, isn't it? Ooh. Do you have purple in you? Because it's, I don't know, you guys look, is that? I'm gonna leave it set while I do the rest of the unboxing, and then I'm gonna come back and see, because this says here, the liquid lipstick by ABH is a full pigment liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish. So we're gonna see what this does, okay? See how wet it is? Okay, it says it dries down to a weightless matte finish with smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color. The comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips and lasts all day. Well, let me tell you something. There is nothing, no product that I can put on these thin lips that's going to make them look any different. It's just not gonna happen. It's not. Unless I get injections, it will never happen. These are thin lips that I received from my mother. Okay, well, this is the lash brag. This is the mascara. This one is the volumizing mascara. It says get maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with ABH Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The jet black, easy to apply formula instantly creates dramatic, full volume defined lashes, while the specifically designed hourglass shaped wand separately coats each lash without ever weighing them down. Okay, I remember I had a really good experience with it. I did like it. It has the packaging very similar to Fenty Beauty. I'm just saying they do kind of look alike. I will grab the other one from my other box because that one was open. This one has not been, and that way I don't mess with this. Okay, so it's been a little while and we're getting close to the end, wrapping up all this stuff here before I unveil that palette. This is the, so not too bad. Kind of, it does, malt, kind of looks chocolatey, doesn't it? So it says smudge proof. Oh, look at that. Nice. You know what that makes me fearful of though? Getting it off these lips. And now for the grand finale. This is why this box was kind of exciting for me. It came like this. My other one was out of the brown box. Now, here's the one thing that I will say. When you go look on your profile through Boxy, log into your account, and you look to see what's in your box, they don't show you which palette you get. And I couldn't remember which one I selected on the BoxyCharm Over 50 account. So I was sitting there doing this the entire time I was watching, you know, through the FedEx, the tracking information, and I just kept going, please, 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 please. I can't remember. Did I select the volume 1? I have volume 3. I just would like to have both palettes. And then you open it up, and guess what? I still couldn't tell which one I had until I lifted the flap, and there she is. That's right, I got the volume 1. So I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to do a look with this palette. I mean, that orange one, I had a blast. I really did. I had a lot of fun, and you know, sits on my vanity. That'll tell you how much I played with it. Okay, let's see. We've got a piece of paper stuck to the bottom. And what is this here? Warning, not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Well, that's good. That's a great warning considering this is eyeshadow. That's where the stuff goes. I mean, come on. That's ridiculous. Not intended for the eye area. There we go. There she is. And it's tin, just like the other one. I know if you received this one already, you're just going, you know what, I got it, Laura, it's not that big of a deal. It is too. It is, because I wanted both. Okay, get all that color all over the place. And this, there we go. That's her. I am excited to play with this. I don't know which row I'm gonna start from. I don't know which color. I mean, the color story just screams have a blast with bold colors. You know, it really does. There are, I couldn't even tell you how many unless it says on the box whether or not, or how many. Writing's too small for these eyes. I got contacts in, but I still can't read that writing. Anyway, I'm gonna try not to do too much with purple. But I really can't get away from the purple, guys. It's not really, it's not an option. I mean, I don't see where I'm going to be able to avoid the purple. It's gonna happen. That is a $60 palette. That is the Pro Pigment palette volume 1. So I have a volume 1, I've got a volume 3. Lori is a happy gal, and I am very content with everything that I received in this box and my Lady Lori box. But now I get to have fun playing with this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to watch me get ready with me, just stay tuned, because I got to go ahead, film that video, and then I can finish opening up some more boxes for you guys. So you guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. So don't go too far. They might be uploaded in the same day. All right, you guys, thanks a lot. You take care. Bye.